Recently, families whose relatives are suspected to have been abducted by security agents returned to the Uganda Human Rights Commission to present fresh personal information to help trace the whereabouts of the so-called disappeared. This matter led opposition MPs to walk out of parliament in unison after government failed to explain the whereabouts of their supporters who have been missing for up to 3 years now. Erias Lukwago, the president of the FDC Katonga faction, says what was done by parliament shows unity in the opposition.
Would like to commend members of parliament who have stood firm on these matters, even to the point of causing a stalemate or a standoff in the parliament and putting up a demand that unless a full account is given, no business shall continue in parliament. We commend them for that.
Lukwago says the Human Rights Commission chairperson, Mariam Wangadia, has failed in her job in relation to the concerns over the matter.
The commission cannot just throw its hands in the air and say, yes, we have these individuals who were arrested, they have disappeared without a trace, and now you have no remedy to offer. When the Constitution gives you all the powers, the Commission has got powers to order the release of a detained person. Ask Madam Mariam Wangadia.
Ideally, somebody seeking redress from you should come to your office, but it is us who are looking for them, and from place to place. So, unlike what the Lord Mayor is accusing me of, I think it is him who is biased and unfair.
Erias Lukwago also wants the Human Rights Commission chairperson, Mariam Wangadia, to resign.
This job, this task is beyond her capacity. She has proved to be a political actor. We invite her into the arena of politics. Let her get a constituency. She rolls out a campaign program, and she gets into any elective political office.
But maybe he could go a little further and formally petition for my removal from office. He's an accomplished lawyer. He knows the procedure for removing the chairperson of the Uganda Human Rights Commission from office. It is similar to that of removal of a High Court judge. And these are the grounds for removing a High Court judge from office.
He says with this in mind, his hope is now in the African Court of Justice.
In the African Court on Human and People's Rights, which sits in Arusha. But this has to start again with inviting the African Commission on People and Human Rights to investigate these matters.
However, Mariam Wangadia has also tasked the opposition to ask about the findings of a parliamentary committee on human rights.
I want to request the honorable members of parliament from the opposition to demand that this report be tabled for discussion, for debate by parliament, other than targeting a simple small woman for ridicule.
Raymond Tamale, NTV.